Hi everyone, welcome to another episode of the World of Beautiful Beauty. So today, since the past week, this girl has been challenging me every time. What time is it? What time? So today we have to put a stop to it. Today she have to teach me the time or I teach her the time. So yeah, so that's the episode. And just so you guys know, in on this channel we have different topic and different things that we talk about. So sometimes it's me and my lady girl. So watch out, and if you are new, please subscribe and you will be glad you did. See you soon. So today I have to teach you time. I'm serious. Deal. Yes. I have to teach you time. You know why? Because when I wake you up in the morning to go to school, you tell me, "Oh, mommy, it's not time yet. It's not time yet," and you make me late for school. So we need to know what time it is. Do you agree?
Yeah.
Okay. So I'm going to show you some big clock. Oh, my baby girl. Okay, so tell me, what time is it?
10 o'clock.
Okay. And what time is this one? What? Okay. First of all, count. Let me see. Count.
1,
Mhm.
2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9,
11
11,
and 12.
12.
Good job. Yes. So what time is it now?
3 o'clock.
3 o'clock. Yes, baby. Good job. So wait, let me go another one. I want you to show me what time is it now. So tell me, what time is it? Look at it.
20 o'clock.
No, you have to look at it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And it's on 5. So it's what?
5.
5 o'clock.
8 o'clock.
5 o'clock. High five. Yes, that's my girl.
It's the same as that.
Yes. Oh, you're so smart. That one is
The same as that.
this is 6 o'clock.
Same one as that one.
6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. We'll talk about the time, okay? Let's see how many minutes. Yeah, this thing is hot, eh? Let's see how many minutes you spend in eating. Yeah. Madam, take them easy now. You're not in competition.
Huh? Are you gonna make rice? Huh?
You have to eat and make sure you clean your mouth, okay? So, okay, let me show you. Look, this is how you eat pounded yam. You cut it like this. It's okay. Beautiful. You cut it like this. Look. No. Let me show you. Like this.
Okay.
I don't want you to stain your clothes. Look like this. Look at me. Look. Beautiful. Look. You see? It's not drip. Okay? I don't want to stain my clothes. Super yummy. You like it? Is it spicy? Is it spicy? Is it yummy? Don't make a mess, because if not, you get in trouble. I mean it. You're wearing white, so I don't want you to make a mess. Good job. Are you super hungry? Are you hungry? So what's your favorite? You want jollof or pounded yam?
Anya.
It's so yummy. Do you want meat? Good job. You see? High five. Good job. Want me to help you? Everyone loves pounded yam? Mama, you don't have to chew it like that. Don't chew it much like that. Yes, you know that was wrong. Your mouth can be in the plate. It has to be far away.
Hello.
You like it?
Yeah.
Me too. Beautiful. Chew with your mouth closed. Thank you. And I need you to breathe now, since we are done with the food. So remember how I told you? You stand up, no more meat, and then you use your knee and say thank you, like you're bending down.
Mommy.
But you have to bend down, like thank you, mommy, and you hug me.
Thank you, Mommy.
God bless you. Thank you. Love you. So now let's do the no, that's done. So let's quickly do the time. Now you should be able to know the time now. To show it properly, 1, you touch it properly. Comprehend? Umemenikaya. Uhemenikaya. Wagiayi.
He's smiling and he made me smile.
Wagiayi.
He's smiling. He's smiling. I know. He's smiling.
Oh yeah. Your boy can. Okay, so Mudia, their way 2 o'clock. So their way 2.
He's smiling.
Beautiful. Focusing.
Okay. He is smiling.
Okay, oh yeah. Wait, 2 o'clock. Your boy can 2 o'clock. Small one and a big one. Your boy can 2 o'clock. Okay, touch 3. Touch 8 o'clock. 8. Yes, smile. High 5. Yes. Okay. Touch 5 o'clock. Yes. That's 5 o'clock.
Because I'm counting.
Yeah, because it's better you count it this way. So when you see the long one like this and the short one like this, you know that is. So right now I'm gonna put the short one at 7 o'clock, and I want you to tell me what time we are. So what time is this? So what time is it? Here, right here, silent.
Hey.
Right here. It's 7 o'clock. I need you to focus, ma'am.
Okay, I'm focusing.
You're not focusing.
I am.
Can you kindly sit down?
Okay.
Sit down properly.
Okay.
Yafi with me. Yafi with me.
Okay.
Okay, okay. Yafi with me.
I'm sitting down.
Ebo no endo. Yafi with me.
Sitting down.
Oh yeah, total. Total. Total.
I'm sitting down. Toda.
Total.
Toda.
Okay, so, and that is the beautiful, and that is the end. Wait, beautiful, you have to look. If not, you're not going to be able to watch Home Alone. And that is the end of us knowing what time is it, right? Yes or no?
Yeah.
So, what do we tell our viewers? To subscribe and watch out every time for our video. So please subscribe.
Subscribe this channel to Beauty and Beautiful.
Yes, subscribe to our channel on Beauty and Beautiful episode. Bye.
Bye.
We love you.
Love